someone hit my Tesla Model Y, and I'm not too happy about that. Before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because once we reach 7,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $100. And I will also be giving away one of these cool homemade shoe holders that I make from cement. It is a shoe that I make out of cement that you can put like your pens and pencils. You can use it as an ashtray, whatever you want to use it for. I will be giving away one of these in this video for the first person to comment the special word. All right, the first person to comment the special word, which I will give you the special word later in the video, this will be yours. I will get this shipped out to you as my free gift to you. All right. Also, if you guys want some good affordable accessories and you don't want to spend a lot of money, I have some links in the description box down below that you can click on and get a really good deal on accessories. I try to make sure I get you guys affordable and budget friendly accessories that will work at a good cost, and you don't have to spend too much money for your accessories on your Tesla. So check out those links down below. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Pretty much what happened was I was driving here. I was at the stoplight, and it was about 5 o'clock traffic. So usually 5 o'clock traffic gets a little busy, and we were at a green light. The car in front of me is going. I start to go, and as you can see, the car behind me, he's a little bit back at a further distance. So what I realize is he must have been doing something. I'm not going to say he was texting on his phone or anything, because he didn't move. I was up a little bit further than him. Once he decides to go, he just smacks into the back of my car. Now, as you can see, look at the damage on his car. It looks really, really bad. And so this car is built pretty tough, and that's pretty cool. I'm very excited and happy about that, because I have less damage than what he had. I can still open my trunk, so that's cool. If I really needed to use my trunk still, I can still do that. There is some damage on the inside here. It is kind of bent in a little bit, but I can still open and close my trunk. So that's pretty cool. But like I said, in the video, you can see that he was back at a decent amount of distance. And then I don't know if he just wasn't paying attention, or if I stopped when he didn't expect me to stop, because like I said, there was traffic. So if I was stopped slightly, it's because there was a car in front of me stopped, and I didn't have a choice but to stop. I'm not going to just stop randomly in the middle of the street. So that being said, he ran into the back of my car. He did take fault for it. I did have to get a police report. Everything honestly went pretty seamless. I was mad at the moment just because I just got the car. I've only had the car for 1 month. And, you know, it's pretty upsetting that something like that happens that fast. So I did get his insurance information. I submitted the claim the same night, which this happened yesterday. And we got the claim done. So now for me, my closest service center is 40 minutes away. And the only Tesla certified collision repair center is 40 minutes away as well. So I am not submitting a claim through my Tesla insurance. I'm doing it obviously through his insurance, which is through State Farm. And they honestly made it really easy on me. So thank you guys for that. And yeah, that was a blessing. State Farm took care of everything. I got my claim done that night. They reached out to the person that hit me, and he took fault and everything like that. So we were all good. Now, locally where I live, like I said, I don't have a collision body repair that is certified to fix Tesla. So I have to take it out to a place which is 40 minutes away. State Farm is going to honor me a rental car. Granted, I do have another vehicle that I could drive, but I'm going to take advantage of that rental car, because why not? So I can go to either Hertz or I can go to Enterprise. I want to try to go to Hertz because they do have Teslas, and I don't know if you can rent those out, but it'd be pretty cool if I could rent out another Tesla. So I'm going to be taking this car to, I have to send in the pictures today. I'm going to get the pictures sent in, and then I'll be taking the car up as soon as they tell me I can bring it up. Hopefully they tell me I can bring it up as soon as possible, because I'd like to bring it up Friday on my off day so we can get this taken care of. But yeah, Cinder has been in her first official car accident. So like I said, I am glad everybody was okay. You know, it does kind of suck, especially right before the holidays. The good thing is I don't have to spend any of my money to get this fixed, so that is a blessing. And hopefully that kid is all right, and you know he learns from his mistakes, whatever he could have done to prevent that. Hopefully he learns from it. All right, stuff happens, and that's the cool thing about life is, you know, as long as you get to live again and live to the next day, you kind of got to let things go. Is it going to be upsetting? Is it going to be annoying? Absolutely. Moral of the story is be glad you're alive. All right. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I will give you guys a step-by-step video on what's the process and how long it's taken to get it fixed and when I will have my baby back. But until then, you'll see me in a rental car making videos. I had some videos set up that I was going to make for you guys, but obviously I can't do that because my car will probably be out of service. And depending on how long it takes, I will still make a couple videos for you guys that I have in mind. But while it's in service, I won't be able to make some of those videos, all right? But I will catch you guys later. By the way, that key word is December, all right? So the key word is December. The first person to comment December down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram at Scoofy. You must message me on Instagram as well saying, hey, I commented December. I was the first person. I will get this free item shipped out to you immediately. All right. This is your free item for the first person to comment December. So that's it. Like I said, that's all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. Don't forget, we almost at 7,000 subscribers. Once we reach that, I will be giving away $100. All right. Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. And I'm out.